butcher, she still had a dream that was covered in sugar and candy and cream. On this day, and her eyes fell upon the baker's boy.
I'd like to buy a cupcake.
She was penniless and poor. Her pockets were bare. She longed for a cupcake with her best friend to share.
That one. Thank you.